Hello everyone, is your car's cooling fan running too fast or not turning off? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0694, cooling fan 2 control circuit low, it means there's an issue with the cooling fan's electrical system, which could cause engine overheating or excessive battery drain. In this video, I'll explain what P0694 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0694? The P0694 Trouble Code stands for Cooling Fan 2 Control Circuit Low. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected low voltage or an electrical failure in the circuit controlling the secondary cooling fan. This can lead to the fan not working at the correct speed, running too slow, or not turning on when needed. Common symptoms of P0694: check engine light on cooling fan, running at a very low speed or not at all, engine overheating in traffic, air conditioning not cooling properly, reduced fuel efficiency due to engine overheating. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0694, check these important components. Cooling fan 2, relay location. Inside the engine bay fuse relay box near the radiator or battery. Function, controls power to the secondary cooling fan motor. Secondary cooling fan motor location, mounted on the radiator, either in front or behind it. Function, helps maintain engine cooling, especially during high temperatures or AC operation. Cooling fan control module, if equipped. Location, near the radiator or attached to the fan assembly. Function, regulates fan speed based on temperature data from the PCM. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or in the engine bay. Function, monitors and controls. Cooling fan operation based on engine temperature. Cooling fan circuit wiring and connectors location. Runs between the relay, fan motor PCM and battery. Function, carries power and control signals. Damaged wires can cause voltage drops. Common causes of P0694. 1. Faulty cooling fan relay. A weak or failing relay can result in low fan speed. 2. Worn-out cooling fan motor. A damaged fan motor may not spin fast enough. 3. Faulty cooling fan control module, if equipped. A defective module may limit voltage to the fan. 4. Corroded or loose wiring connections. Bad connections can prevent proper voltage from reaching the fan. 5. PCM software or hardware issues. A malfunctioning PCM might not send the correct power signals. How to fix P0694? Step 1. Check and replace the cooling fan relay. Swap it with a working relay to test. Step 2. Inspect the cooling fan motor. Use a multimeter to check voltage and resistance. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose terminals, or damaged wires. Step 4. Test the cooling fan control module, if equipped. Ensure it's sending the correct signals. Step 5. Check PCM signals. Use a scanner to verify PCM fan control outputs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Final words. Ignoring P0694 can lead to overheating, AC failure, and electrical damage. Fixing it early will keep your car cool and running efficiently. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0640, intake air heater control circuit open. P0641, sensor reference voltage circuit 1. Open, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.